Hi.
Hi! We're at the beach on a cloudy day.
Yes, and we listen to this chord thingy right here. Hi.
And everyone just
What are we listening to?
It's Jennifer Love Hewitt.
Oh.
But we'll change it to a better song. You wonder if anybody cares. Don't show my tummy. The song is I'm a cat. Just can't take it.
I found people that I don't know. Holy monkeys, there's a lot of people over there.
You ready?
And there's like a shit ton of people over there.
Ready for my song?
Okay.
You need to listen to it.
Okay.
That was like probably close above my boobies there.
Hello, boobies. They're very nice boobies. Oh, hi, Erin. What a girl needs. There's like a little fingerprint on it. Oh, okay, bye.
Oh, yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.